everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Neha. I make video on tech and my life in the UK. Today's video is about for ReactJS developer who wants to learn React Native or who wanted to, who wants to just looking for something new to learn. This video is going to help you to understand that how much your ReactJS knowledge can be reused in React Native. I already wrote a detailed blog on the same on Dev2. I will share this blog, which you can see on screen, in the description section. Another thing is this blog already got featured as weekly top 7 blog, so it is already liked by a lot of people. So let's start with React.js and React Native, the main content of this video. React.js is to create the application for your web. React Native is for your native, or you can say multiple devices like your TV OS, your desktop apps, your native apps, even for your Vision OS, So, or even TV apps, you can use React Native for multiple platforms and OS, whereas React.js is only for web. So this is the main difference. Now, if you know React.js already, then in React.js, we create our custom components by using JSX. The same thing is in React Native also. So in React Native also, you will reuse your React.js knowledge of creating the custom components by using JSX. All the rule of JSX, which are in React.js, they are applicable same as it is in React Native. However, one big difference come here is that in React Native, we have few built-in components. So like you can see here on the screen, I am already highlighting in the code the second line import view text. These are the built-in components available in React Native. So you have text. If you want a heading, instead of using h1, you will use text. If you want to use a button, you have a component in React Native for that. So there are around more than 10 components, built-in components. You need to use that, and then you can build your own components for React Native. So yeah, the next thing is props and state. Just like in React.js, we use our prop, we do state management, same will be used in React Native. So you can use all the state management library, like you have the famous one, Redux Toolkit, other one, you can use that. The way we use props in React.js to communicate between component, same you will be doing in React Native also. So whole knowledge will be reused. Hooks. In React.js, we have so many hooks, which is my favorite. Like you have use state, you have use memo, use callback, you have use effect, use layout effect. All these hooks will be are reusable in React Native also. So your knowledge of hooks will come very handy when you are gonna do React Native learning. Okay, so same hooks will be there. Testing. For testing, we have React Native testing library. It works almost the same as it work for React testing library. So again, all the learning you have done for React.js testing library will be applicable here. This is the example. You can see it is almost same. It just your library get differ. We are doing the import from React Native. I already spoke about JSX, so that's there, but here I wanted to talk about the styling part because that's the major difference come in in React Native. Because we are creating the application for multiple OS and devices, and for React.js, it is only for web. A lot of web properties of CSS like hover won't work here. If you are trying to implement linear gradient through CSS, that might not work. You have to use a package for your React Native. However, and also in React Native, you have a style sheet API which comes in React Native. You have to use that to create your style objects. So your plain CSS, the way we write it for React.js, won't work. You have to use that style sheet API to create the style objects and then use it. You can use style components also. That is also possible in React Native. You can have inline CSS. That is also there. Instead of Tailwind, we have Native Wind. And in JSX, the rule is you need to use the camel case for the class name. That is also applicable in React Native too. So these are the differences, and these are the few things which you can reuse from React to React Native. So I would highly encourage you, And if you want to learn something new, React Native is good, because if you already know ReactJS, at least your initial learning curve would be easier. With this, I will close this video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please share in your network. Please like my video. Please share. And if you have something to ask me or to let me know if you like this video in the comment. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.